you have a bath? Did you take a bathie? Oh, that's a wet budgie. Oh my goodness. Look at that's so wet, that budgie. Look at he was inside here. And there's no water left because he pooped in there. But we'll get in anyway. Get in there. Show Steve how you took a bathie. Go on. He'll get in. Boo boo. So cute. That's so cute. Okay, you're just going to drink now. Okay, get off. If you hadn't pooped in there, you could still be taking a bath. Look at the wet budgie. Oh, that's cute. That's a little wet budgie. Got a little wet belly. Yeah, he just needs a snorkel because he wanted to get in there all the way. Oh, look at this wet budgie. That's cute.